So welcome back to another episode of Frappepreneur. So we are covering journey of Frappe community members and the contributors. With that, we have today Mr. Karthikeyan, who known as Biometric developer earlier, and also a Rawprinting developer, and one of the director of SD groups. So with that, we will continue with that. Okay. So yeah, welcome. Welcome to the show again. So I'd like to start from your tech journey. So how you started, at what age it all started actually?
So tech journey, I'll tell you my programming journey. So it started in like sixth standard. Like there was a computer teacher who was giving me interesting problems.
Okay.
So in program, like very simple problems, but at that age it was quite interesting, but challenging. So I got hooked into asking for more and more challenging problems. So that's how I got introduced to programming. And then so naturally when I finished my school, and in my father's company there was a software requirement. So I was like, naturally, okay, I know programming, I will do software. And
Okay.
and that's how it started. It started with an order management. I knew nothing about web development, but I thought it was very easy, so I just started, and then and then I was in the middle of it, and then I gave them a commitment that you can stop writing manually. You can all put it in this web application, and then I figured out that there's a lot of things that are missing, a lot of things I don't know. But end of it, within 1 week, I was able to launch that app, and that's how we started digitizing our process.
Okay, so you are trying to streamline your manual process. So that's how it started. Right?
Yeah, exactly. There was, in fact, we used to have order sheets. So we were having orders from 8 states in India.
Okay.
So each state used to have a separate file, and each file used to have like 40-50 sheets.
Okay.
So you'll never know which orders is gone, which order is pending. So every time they'll be turning pages and then wasting time, and we'll never know what to do, what to manufacture, what is the demand. So just by this one addition, all I did was feed all this into a web app, and then get a total pending order, like item-wise pending order for our manufacturing.
Okay.
So that was very useful. So that's where it started.
Okay, yeah, because it's all manual, so it will be it's more difficult to take analytics or to forecast the orders and all, right? So that's how it helps. So how you find Frappe? Like what? Yeah.
So yeah, this initial project I just told you was in 2015.
Okay.
So I was thinking, okay, we have done orders, let's also do all other processes, and I was on it. And in 2017, I completed my college, and I did a 6-month internship.
Okay.
In Bangalore. It was a startup. So after my 6 months, I came back here, and because my reason I gave that startup founder was I need to go fix software in my father's company. That's why I'm leaving. So I came here. So after 3 months, he sent me a link.
Okay.
The link was to ERP Next. He said, maybe you can implement this and come back here.
Oh.
So that's how I started with ERP Next implementation. Okay. So this started in 2018.
Okay, it's not Frappe, it's ERP Next at first.
Yeah, exactly. So he thought this will be like this will fit us well, and it turns out it did. This actually very interesting story about when he sent it to me. He sent it to me 1 month before the Frappe conference of 2018.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't go there, but I watched the whole conference live. So for those who are new to the community, one interesting fact was there used to be a lot of let's say, I just call it passionate discussions in the earlier conferences, which you would not find now. You'll only find the live view, and then they will take down the live. So what really got me into this was everybody is so passionate about making sure this goes well, like making sure ERP Next and Frappe goes well. So that was a really good sign that this is going to go somewhere. So probably that passion got on, and then I thought, okay, this is it. I'll start this, and right now, if you see, all the legacy systems have been converted to Frappe.
Correct.
So all the operations are on Frappe framework as of this year.
Understood. So, so how you joined Frappe basically? Since you mentioned your journey of ERP Next and the conference and all, but you are also a Frappe developer, right? You worked on that.
Yeah, so I briefly worked in Frappe. So how that happened is, I went for the 2019 conference. The next year, the second year.
Okay. Initially, you watched the live and
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I definitely had to go. So it was a really good conference. So I went there, and then I think I spoke to Rishabh. I was saying, I'm kind of a student. I kind of finished recently. Can I join as an intern?
Okay.
So it was like more than 1.5 years since I finished college. But he said, yeah, you can join. Why not?
So, okay, there is no hiring process and all. You just ask them with your interest. Okay.
Yeah, he said you can join, and then he told me to formally apply.
Understood.
So I applied via email. There was 3 rounds of interviews actually.
Okay.
And
so did you done any preparation for it?
Actually not. They just made sure I know new programming, which I really knew. I had already developed this web applications.
Okay.
So I showcased all that. And then I also told them why I wanted to join Frappe. I told them it's an internship. I don't want a full time. I wanted to learn more about the framework so that I can implement it better here.
Okay, so I think your portfolio helped a lot.
Yeah. So basically, yes. Okay. It did help a lot. Yes.
Okay. So totally 5 years, or how many years you are with Frappe as a developer?
No, I was, like I said, it's a very short period. For 8 months, I was. Yeah, it was an internship.
Okay.
So I was working there for 8 months in Mumbai at their office. So yeah, it was a.
Okay. So if you want to say something or narrate something, how your day went, like in a day at Frappe, how it is?
Okay, in a day.
Just recall, no issues.
That's a long time ago. I think when I'm talking to you, I just realized how long it's been. It's been over close to 5 years. Correct. So typical day in Frappe.
Yeah, exactly.
Actually, there's no structure. Some days I come in early, some days I come in late. But what matters is I used to choose my own projects.
Okay.
So right now they've published it multiple times, and they've made it into a process where choose your own work, choose your own pay. Okay. But that was just the beginning stages of this.
Okay.
They were just starting to implement those. So it was really useful, really fun actually. Okay. So I can select interesting stuff. So that's why I chose Biometric. That's why I chose Rawprinting. Those were the major contributions when I worked in Frappe.
Okay.
Other than that, there were multiple fixes and minor changes that I was doing. Yeah.
So is the biometric or raw printing is assigned to you, or you picked?
Yeah, that was I picked it.
Okay, you picked it.
Yeah.
What made you?
So I wouldn't say I picked it, but it's a gray area actually. So what I don't know if somebody will watch this, but what Rishabh usually does is he kind of knows who will do this well and kind of senses that, and he pushes in that direction. But it's always up to us to accept it. That's how it used to be.
Okay.
So I guess he keeps pushing so to make sure that certain projects get taken. So I was actually really interested in integrations. Both of them come under integrations.
Okay.
So it's just not only software. There's also hardware components. So that's always interesting for me.
Okay.
So I chose that, and I think to be frank, I haven't worked on it, or I haven't answered many questions after I've left. But I guess it is being used by a lot of people.
Yeah. Like we are doing it. Like maybe additional developments are going on with the base product. Yeah.
Good to hear.
So if you like to say some advice or some points for the new contributors in the community, like how they can process, how they can contribute to the product.
Okay.
Have some insights of your contribution, like.
So one thing I usually hear is I've sent a PR, but they're not looking at it. I don't know how to get it in. So what happens is my one advice would be to be part of the community. So I was lucky that I'd worked at Frappe shortly for a short period. So I had that connect. I liked the community really a lot. So I was active on the community the initial days. So once you're part of the community, people know who you are. They tend to know what kind of expertise you have, because honestly, from the I can speak from the maintenance side. So a random PR comes in, you don't know who that person is, you don't know what their strengths are, you know what kind of, or how much time they are going to spend, because they have their own work, they have their own stuff going. So this is an additional thing. They have to make a choice of whether should I spend my time on this or not. So it makes it easier if you deep dive into any one area, and then you start with being a community member first. You start with fixing community problems, answering. Maybe the easiest way is to answer questions in the community,
helping people.
But more than generally going all around the place, maybe take something that you see with your own eyes around you, like you see somebody using some part of the software, and go deep into that. So when you send your contribution, they know this guy has been talking about this for a long time, probably I should take a look at this PR. So whoever's maintaining that will be already interested. They'll know this person. So if you need a quick fix, I don't think I don't have it. I don't think it's available. So this is a longer strategy. You'll have to be part of the community to make sure you get something.
Just to summarize, we need to be part of community at first and help someone in their problem, or pick some bug and go deep. The curiosity drives in the whole. Okay. So what are you doing now?
So right now we are just continuing this process of implementing the software in our organization. So I'm like full-time working for my working for the organization that my dad started. I've joined as a director. So I take care of HR, software, and accounts. Sorry. So on the software side, I continue to digitize everything. We have a goal of going 100% paperless. And also organizing all the information digitally and making it useful. So we are working on that goal. We have 2 developers. So we plan to have a larger developer team. We plan to build on the team one by one and make sure we have the right people and build on this.
So what actually SD is? I would like to have some talk.
Sure. So SD, at SD we manufacture garments. Hosiery garments like t-shirts, vests, underwears, and we also have distribution across India. We have our own brand called SD on the same name. And under this brand we have multiple categories: kids wear, vest, and everything. And we also distribute this. So this is our business in our line.
Understood. So since you said you had set up a developer team to develop your own software for your organization, are you also looking to build products around it?
That is definitely in the pipeline. But right now we are just our hands are full with just our own work. But like I said, this open source bug has bit me. So everything we develop is also open source. I don't think it's usable. Somebody goes and looks up at our GitHub.
But it solves your problem.
It's not usable. It solves our problem. If you have similar problem, maybe somebody will use it, but there's no documentation. They haven't gotten on to it. But definitely that is in the plans. So we will prioritize this, especially for garment manufacturing. especially manufacturing, I think it's a little difficult in ERP Next for our industry. So we are developing that from the base on Frappe framework.
Yeah, you are also as an experimentation on apparel product, right?
Yeah. So that was our first try.
Correct.
So we have tried, and the problem was we made it a point to use ERP Next, ERP Next feature directly. So it did get really complicated, and we could have pushed through, but the cost was going higher and higher.
Understood.
And we couldn't see the end in sight.
Okay.
So we dropped that project. That project also is available on GitHub. I don't recommend anybody use it. Don't use it. So we are developing the next product from the base.
Okay.
And this time it's successful.
Understood.
The implementation is almost done.
Okay.
So we are happy about that. So probably in a year we'll be done. Like the manufacturing part will be done, and we'll start productizing it.
Understood.
But there are other parts we're working on: the distributor management system, the retailer management system. Like we have close to 6,000 retailers across India. So those retailers also need to manage their inventory, their sales, and everything. So all those are being built out. So all those will take a few more years to mature before we can make it.
These are your future plans for your organization digitalization area, and as well as to the community you are looking to contribute to. So would you like to say something? I think we are at the end. Any problems, like any advice to the Tirupur audience or?
Oh yeah. So about Tirupur audience, I'll just summarize my journey with Frappe ERP Next. So it's been really good. That also connects to my issue that I find with businesses in Tirupur, like regarding software implementation. So I've heard this personally at least 5 times.
Okay.
The exact issue is that they have a developer team, like a third-party developer team, who develops a product for them for that company, telling them we can customize it as you want. So that actually works out. They become fairly mature product.
Understood.
And then what happens is they still need customizations. But that team figures out that customizing is not very cost effective. It's more profitable to market the product that has already been built.
Understood.
So they just move on to that, and then this company is just left alone, and then they are like, okay, we'll start again. We have to find a new developer team. So I think this exact problem open source solves, especially in this scenario where people are contributing resources to it. They've invested in it, but then it goes for a waste in the end. So I would like to say, whenever you're investing in a product, or even when you're buying a product, you're indirectly investing in it. You're buying a license. You're buying a SaaS product. You're also investing for the development of it. So my only thing is, you're investing in the development. Why don't you also have access to the product? Any day they can pull the product from under your feet. Especially if it's a cloud product, it's even worse. Recently with what is this one that pulled out of India? There's this famous accounting product that pulled out of India. And a lot of people were scrambling in the last 1 month to migrate away from that product. So those kind of scenarios should not happen. So I would say to the vendors, any businesses that are going for a software, make sure your vendors have an open source policy. Make sure you have the source available, and you have the rights to, at the minimum, you have the rights to use that source code to develop it further and make changes.
Understood.
So that would be what I would say.
So it was so insightful. Thanks for sharing your journey as a developer to an end user now, I can say. So you're also building your team around it, and I like your future plans of contributing as a product. And thanks for your time. Thank you.
Thank you for being here.